Hi everyone, this is the video for the Downtown Library's Take and Make kit for Maker Monday. This is a monthly series that we're doing where you will be able to come in and get a Take and Make kit, and it'll have everything that you need to make a fun craft at home. This month we are doing balloon hovercrafts, and you can come down to the Downtown Library starting Monday, September 28th and pick up your kit. And inside of it you will find a paper saucer that has a hole cut in it, crayons that you can use to decorate the saucer any way that you would like, a balloon that will be used to power the hovercraft, several streamers that you can use to decorate it, and glue dots to connect the streamers to the saucer. So all that you do is take the glue dots and attach them to the streamers. I've already got mine attached. And then put them on the saucer. You can use your crayons to decorate the top of the saucer however you would like to make your hovercraft unique. Then you take the bottom of the balloon and insert it through the hole like this. You blow it up. And then let it go. And that's all that you need to do. Have a good day.